No money? No problem. 15 ways to start earning today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into making money without spending a dime. Zero investment, just pure hustle to build your bank account. This video is packed with killer ideas. We're breaking down 15 methods from side hustles to online businesses. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to hustle. Unleash your inner freelancer. The internet is a giant marketplace for skills, and chances are you have something valuable to offer. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are bursting with people looking for talented individuals just like you. Think about it. Are you a writing whiz? A graphic design guru? Maybe you're a spreadsheet ninja or have a voice made for radio? Offer competitive prices to attract those first few clients and build up your reputation. Once you've got some glowing reviews, you can start raising your rates. Even if you think you don't have specialized skills, there's always a demand for virtual assistants, transcribers, and data entry specialists. Deliver top-notch work and build strong relationships with your clients. Turn your passion into profit with social media. Harness the power of social media and turn those followers into paying customers. Are you a fitness fanatic? A culinary genius? Maybe you're a fashion icon or a productivity pro? Whatever your area of expertise, there are people out there eager to learn from you. Start by sharing your knowledge for free. Create engaging content, offer valuable tips, and build a community around your passion. As your audience grows, you can start monetizing your influence. Offer paid coaching sessions, create exclusive content for subscribers, or partner with brands for sponsored posts. Be yourself, share your journey, and connect with your audience on a personal level. Your passion can transform into a profitable online empire. Cash in on your clutter. We've all got stuff lying around the house that we never use. Instead of letting it gather dust, turn that clutter into cash. Host a yard sale or use platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and eBay. Gather up clothes you haven't worn, books you've read, and gadgets taking up space. Price them to sell and watch the bargain hunters flock. Remember, one person's trash is another person's treasure. Don't be afraid to part ways with things you no longer need. You might be surprised at how much money you can make by simply decluttering your life. Be the neighborhood MVP. Sometimes the best money-making opportunities are right in our own backyards. Offer your services to your neighbors. Help with groceries, babysitting, dog walking, lawn mowing, or even teaching kids how to play the guitar. It requires no special skills, just a willingness to lend a helping hand. Plus, you'll be earning money while getting to know your neighbors. For a more structured way to find gigs, check out apps like TaskRabbit or Nextdoor. These platforms connect people who need odd jobs done with reliable individuals ready to work. Become an affiliate marketing superstar. Enter the world of affiliate marketing, a powerful way to make money online without any upfront investment. Partner with a company that sells products or services you love. Get a unique affiliate link and earn commissions whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. Share your affiliate links on social media, embed them in blog posts, or create YouTube videos reviewing products you recommend. Find an affiliate program that aligns with your niche, start promoting products you believe in, and watch the passive income stream in. Get paid for your opinions. Ever wish you could get paid for just sharing your thoughts and opinions? You totally can. Sign up for online survey platforms and start receiving invitations to participate in surveys that match your demographic and interests. The more surveys you complete, the more rewards you earn. It's a fun and effortless way to earn some extra cash or gift cards in your spare time. Your opinions are valuable, so get out there and make your voice heard. Create once, sell forever. The power of digital products. Build a sustainable online business with digital products. Create once, sell repeatedly without shipping or inventory. Sell stunning printables on Etsy. Publish ebooks on Amazon or Gumroad. Create courses, templates, music, and more. Generate passive income for years. Become a dropshipping dynamo. Dropshipping is revolutionizing e-commerce. Use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. List products from suppliers with your markup. Suppliers ship directly to your customers. You pay only when a customer buys. Start with minimal investment. Success requires hard work and marketing, but it can be a lucrative online business. lights, camera, income. In the age of YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, creating engaging video content is a legitimate path to financial freedom. You don't need a fancy studio or professional equipment to get started. All you need is a smartphone, a story to tell, and a passion for connecting with an audience. Think about what you're good at and what unique perspective you can bring. Are you a natural comedian, a tech whiz, a makeup guru? As you build a loyal following, you can monetize your channel through ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and fan donations. Be consistent, create high-quality content, and engage with your viewers authentically. Start sharing your unique voice with the world. Share your knowledge, earn from anywhere. Are you fluent in another language? Do you have a knack for explaining complex concepts? With the rise of remote work and online learning, the demand for qualified online teachers and tutors has skyrocketed. Platforms like VIPKid, Italki, and Verbling connect teachers with eager students. You can often set your own hours and work from anywhere with a stable internet connection. There's a place for you in the online teaching world. Dust off those textbooks, polish up your teaching skills, and start inspiring minds from the comfort of your own home. Turn your belongings into money-making machines. We've all got stuff lying around the house that we don't use all the time. Instead of letting your belongings collect dust, rent them out to people who need them. Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, and Neighbor make it easier than ever to connect with people looking for short-term rentals. Got a car that's sitting idle? List it on Turo. Have a spare room? Airbnb allows you to become a hospitality entrepreneur from home. You can rent out anything from bicycles and kayaks to tools and electronics. The sharing economy is booming, so get in on the action. Turn your belongings into money-making machines. Become a micro-task master. In the mood for some quick and easy cash? Microtasks might be right up your alley. Microtasks are small, on-demand jobs that can usually be completed in minutes. Think taking photos of products in stores, verifying business information, or completing short surveys. While you're not going to get rich quick, it's a fantastic way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, mTurk, Clickworker, and Prolific offer a wide range of microtasks. Work whenever you want, for as long as you want, and get paid quickly via PayPal or other online payment platforms. Start earning some extra cash. Unleash your inner blogger. Do you have a passion for writing? Blogging might be your ticket to online success. Platforms like Medium, WordPress.com, and Blogger make it easy to create a blog for free. Choose a template, customize it, and start sharing your unique voice. Write about something you're genuinely passionate about. Your enthusiasm will attract a loyal audience. Once you've built a solid readership, monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, display advertising, sponsored posts, and selling your own products or services. Become a virtual assistant extraordinaire. The demand for skilled virtual assistants is skyrocketing. VAs provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from remote locations. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and have a knack for multitasking, becoming a VA might be your calling. Common VA tasks include managing emails, scheduling appointments, creating social media content, handling customer service inquiries, and conducting online research. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Zirtual make it easy to connect with potential clients and find VA gigs that match your skills and interests. Unleash your inner artist. Do you have an eye for design, a passion for photography, or maybe you're a whiz at creating stunning websites? The world of creative freelancing might be your calling. There's a huge demand for talented creatives who can help businesses bring their visions to life. Build a portfolio of your best work. Offer your services to friends and family for free or at a discounted rate to gain experience. Once you have a solid body of work, promote your services on social media, freelancing platforms, and through your own website. Find your niche, develop your skills, and market yourself effectively. Start building a fulfilling career doing what you love. Start building your empire today. 15 incredible ways to make money without any upfront investment. Find something you're passionate about, develop your skills, and hustle hard. The opportunities are endless. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone tired of the 9-to-5 grind, there's a path for you in the world of online earning. Choose your adventure, take action, and start building the life of your dreams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-making tips. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome.